Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. It's this beautiful floral card and these are meant to be irises and I've coloured them in as if they're yellow flag irises. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need is a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 14.35 centimetres by 10 centimetres, and we're going to do some stamping. So let me show you the stamp set. It's this one called Inspiring Iris, and we're going to be using this stamp and the stamp here. It is a two-step stamping, so you can fill it in with these elements here as well, but I'm actually going to colour it in with the blends. So let's get started. I have everything mounted on my block, so we're going to stamp in Memento ink, and this is because I'm going to be colouring in using the Stampin blends. Okay, so just get it nicely inked up, and then I'm just going to, where shall I put it, the first one here. I'm also going to be stamping off the page so it looks like it's a continued vista of irises, and I'm going to vary the height of them as well just to give some interest to the scene. Oops, see daisy. I've got glue obviously on my block, and I do have another stamp, so I'm going to leave just a little gap for them as well. So I'm going to do this one, I think. I'm twisting the stamp as well, so it doesn't appear exactly the same everywhere. So that's that one done. And then I'm going to use this other one here. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera. I just need to get it well inked up. I'm going to put that there. And then, whoopsie daisy, I'm going to have this one, I think, here, like that, and that's my scene. So let's close up my ink pad because I've already made enough of a mess. Okay, that's what we've got so far, and now I'm going to do some colouring. So I'm going to show you the colours I'm going to use. I'm using all my yellows, so I'm using the So Saffron Light and Dark, the Daffodil Delight Light and Dark, Mango Melody Light and Dark. I'm also going to use a little bit of Pumpkin Pie, and for the leaves I'm using Old Olive. So those are all my blends there. So I'm just going to zoom you in a little bit so you can maybe see a bit better, and then I'm going to do my colouring and I'll put some music on while I do it. So I'll see you at the end. Okay, so that's all the colouring done. You can see. I'm sorry if you can hear next door. The eldest son is playing, shooting basketball hoops in the front drive, and so you can hear him bouncing the ball on the drive, but unfortunately there's nothing I can do about that, so I do apologise though for it. But my filming room, where I've got my camera set up, is in our spare bedroom, and that's at the front of the house, so I don't really have a choice. And I struggle to film later on in the day because my tiredness gets hold of me then. So it is what it is. I do apologise though. Okay, let's stamp this. I should have said what I was doing. Okay, I've stamped the sentiment. A very big congratulations and best wishes to you. That's from this set, A Beautiful Friendship. It's the stamp here, and I just stamped it in Memento ink. Now we are going to put some snail on the back of here. Now Snail has retired, and we have a new tape runner that's name is just flown out of my head. Seal, that's what it's called. It's called Seal. Now we were unfortunately, due to technical issues, it wasn't available to order yesterday, which was the first day of the new catalogue. I'm filming this on the 4th of June, so yesterday was the first day of the new catalogue, and I did my order, but it wasn't available, so I'm going to continue to use Snail. And I've got quite a few refills, and I don't really want them to go to waste anyway, so I'm going to use it up rather than waste it. Now I'm just going to use a few of these holiday rhinestones in the yellow, just to plonk a few here and there, and it's just going to look like pollen through the air. Well, that's my theory anyway. Okay, and there we go. That's that one. That's that one. What do you think? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Let me know. I love to hear your feedback. I really hope you enjoyed the project, and thank you so much for watching and staying with me. If you want information about this project, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. If you did like the project, please do give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and I'd love if you could subscribe to any future videos. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!